Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the rest. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Aneke here on Aneke Budgets. How y'all doing or whatever? If you are new here, welcome to my channel. On here I do cash stuff and budgeting, paying off my debt and minding my business, child, and not necessarily in them for orders. So if that is something that you are interested in, go ahead, subscribe, like the video, leave your 2 cents with your comment, and turn on your notification bell because we would love to have you join the family. Hey, so go ahead and do that. But as you guys can see, hold up, back it up. Hey, all these besties, what's good? What's up, y'all? Hey, we made it to another week, y'all. It's another Monday. Get into it. But as you guys can see, we're going to be doing a paycheck closeout. So, child, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, and just like that, let me bring y'all in close because I like what? For y'all to be all up in my business, okay? Let's do it, y'all. Let's talk about it. So, this is our paycheck budget for April 15th, what we did, child, and we are going to make some closeout. We just got to check the numbers, see if they numbering. You feel me? See if they numbering. Hold up, child. Do I not know what these numbers is numbering? Child, let me get my phone. All right. Where's my calculator? We just don't have to use the phone as a calculator today. Okay, let's find out this good child. All right, so my bills account, yes, we still got $210 that was left over, child. $210, all right, $210. So nothing changed with that. Our salary did stay at $752. I hate to say it, but they didn't pay us no more. That's crazy, you know. We wouldn't mind the extra check, you know, any amount. So yes, we did stay at $962 for my total budget of what your girl working with. All right. Now here's the good. Hey, not my investment account, child. My bills account. Lord. What you pay for your bills, girl? What you pay for your bills? So, for my bills, once they get to it, right? This month, I am saying I'm a player from the Himalayas, but baby, I kept it G. This month for electricity, I'm only paying you all $79.55. Yes, $79.59 is how much I will be paying in electricity, and child, we love to see it. Let's talk about it. We love to see it. Okay, next is my water bill. Okay, my water bill, and let's see what your girl did this month too. So she got a budget of $80, but guess what she's doing? 59. Ooh, is that a below 60? 59.03. Only God can do it. You see that? He did. He sure did, the Lord. All right. So if we do a little calculation, 79.55 plus 59.03, we have a 138. 138.58. All right. And so from our, what is it? 962 minus our 138.58. We have $823.42. All right, there we go. So now let's go on down here. So the Lord, all right, to my cash envelopes. So for tithes given to the Lord, I gave him $76 because 10% of my check. Yes, Lord. Now for groceries, I did give it a little extra. So she got $124, not the $114. All right. So she got $124 because yes, Miss Ma'am, do you boo-boo. Gas did get $60 because child, right after I got stuff, I was like, oh, I'm good. I got gas money. I got enough gas. Child, that gas thing said, fill me up, big dog. Fill me up. Drop some coins on me. And I had to do that. Now my allowance is where I took the money from, the $10 that I put into groceries. So instead of allowance getting $10.25, they only got 25 cents because, child, what am I going to do except eat? That's my favorite thing for allowance, to eat. And so I was like, you know what, it don't even make no sense putting in groceries, and so at least I can buy some snacks that are healthier, or I can, you know, child, make up for whatever I eat out. But y'all, I'm trying to get it together. Household did get $20, so nothing changed there. And then toiletries did get that $10, child. She did. She did. And so hair care was left with nothing because she ain't got nothing. That girl rich. I mean, she about to be spent, but she rich. So this all in all still came up to $290.25. So we had $823.42, and we are gonna subtract that $290.25, and so we're left with $533.17. So $533.17. Okay, cool beans. Now we're gonna move to these sinking funds, and let me pull a little baby off real quick. All right, we're gonna go to the sinking funds, and y'all, ain't nothing went in any of them. They didn't. They didn't. So nothing in emergency, home maintenance, car insurance, travel, my birthday, family, clothing, family visit, nothing, child. When I say I was zero, I was zero. And so that means we brought our $533.17 from over there, and we brought it over here. And so that's what we're going to use to move into our additional savings, which, child, that was broke too. Ain't nobody getting nothing. Nothing. So this was $0 too in additional savings. And so again, $533.17. Okay, but Navy Fed said play with somebody else, but don't play with me, because run me my coins. All right, so I had for Navy Federal, oh child, you know, I have for Navy Federal $533.17, and I did pay this $533.17, and I did pay this $461.75 to Navy Fed, and so that left me. So Navy Fed did get that $461.75, and she was $461.75, and she did get left over, have a remaining of $71.42. Okay, and so this should be the difference between the 210 right here and these subtracted. So 210 minus 79.55 equal that, minus 59.03 equal, yep, 71.42. So we had $71.42 remaining in our budget. So my income is $962. My envelopes is $200 and, oh child, my expenses is $138.58. My cash envelopes is $290.25. I have nothing for sinking funds, nothing for additional savings, and I did hit me with a whopping $461.75 for my credit card payment. And again, that left me with $71.42 remaining. So boom, look at that, we closed out and everything, closed out all, you feel me? So that is my budget close out. And as you guys know, we always do a little, you know, razzle dazzle. What is in my cash envelope binder remaining? Child, where's my cash envelope binder? Girl, where'd I put it? Lord, if I left this cash envelope binder at work, Jesus, the Lord. I think I left it at work, y'all. I left my cash envelope binder at work. That's crazy. Let me go verify real quick. I'll be back. And the line, it was literally on the seat behind me, child. I was sitting down on it. Anyways, y'all, so this is my cash envelope binder, and we just gonna do a real quick situation, see what's up, see what's in there. Tithes is 0 because we what's it called, we went digital for that. And then in my groceries have 50, 60, 70. And I honestly have some more money. Hold up. Cause let me tell you, Katie be holding on to coins, okay? She be holding them on in here. Like, look, you see them? That's cash. She be holding on to money. So she holding on to a $5 bill. What else you holding on to, Katie? She holding on to some $2 bills. What else you holding on to, Katie? Come on. Come on, Katie. And look at this. Look at all these. She holding on to some coins. Katie be holding on to money. Alright, because I'll be forgetting to put them back in the envelope. I ain't gonna lie to you. I really do. I'll be forgetting to put them back in the envelopes, and Katie be like, okay, you don't want it? I do. And she be holding on to it for me, and I love Katie for that. I love her for that. So yeah, and we got some more coins from Katie. So shout out to Katie for always keeping the girls together, aka me. I'm the girls. So Katie got some coins to put in the coin jar, which I haven't done in a minute, but this is 100% for groceries because I went to the grocery store and I spent some money, and yeah, so this is the remaining of that. So let me add that in here as well. Girl, stop being some bent up. All right, and fix yourself, okay? And here we go. And so yeah, and so in groceries, what I actually have is $50, $60, $70, $75, $76, and $77 for groceries. And yeah, that's cute. And I don't count the coins, even though they're $1. How much is this? This is $1, $1.25, $35, $45, $46, $47, $1.47 right here. But I don't count dollars at all. And then gas has 50, 70, 90, 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, and 53. I'm pretty sure I spent gas, because I'm pretty sure I spent it last week, but I didn't take that money out. What was that? What was that? Come on, Aneke. What was that? How much you spent for gas? Because you bought gas, girl. You bought gas. How much you spend for gas? Gas was $32. I told you, I bought some gas. $32 worth of gas. So that's a 20. That's a $2 bill. Let's get it correct. And then boom, $32. So let's put it on the side. And so gas real numbers, okay, after she got paid for, is 50, 70, 90, 100, 10, 20, 21. So $121 is how much gas actually has, because she bought gas recently, y'all. Allowance has nothing in there because, like I said, we didn't put nothing in there. Household has 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, and $47 left in there, which matches her tag. Toiletries has 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, $49 in there, which matches her tag as well. That's what I call them. Not that they're trackers, but tags. And then hair care has 150, 60, 70. Wait, 150, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76. But I literally went to the hair store, so I know I owe some money to this. I know I do. I went to the hair store. Yeah, I told you I went to the hair store. And I spent $23. So, hello? Come on, run me my $23. Stop playing. I owe $23. So that's a $2 bill. With the 5, we're going to trade it out. And then we're going to trade out the 50. And then, yeah, 32 and 23 is 55. Boom, look at God. He be knowing what to do. Work it out, Jesus. Work it out. He ain't got to work it out. All right, so now hair care has 100, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, and 53. So $153 is in hair care from that $176 that it had before. So now that's updated. We will mark the things later. And then nothing's in necessity. And of course, we got a little bit of back to bank. Okay, that we need to put back to the bank so that we can pay these off to get into it. But yeah, y'all. So I won't count up back to bank. But that is all that's remaining for this week, child, to get us through to the end of the month. And that is all for the video. We are, I don't know why I didn't put the $55 in the back to bank, but yeah. Well, let's count up back to bank since we're doing that. So right now with all the coins, we have 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, and $71 that needs to go back to the bank. And so yeah, so $71 needs to go back to the bank, and that, y'all, is officially it for the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed, child. Not with the coins right here. Get into it, and get your life. Get your life, girl. And this is my coin jar. And while I would like to say that, well, I got dollars in here. While I would like to say that this has all coins in it and I'm not using them, y'all, I got to, because my washer not working. And they're coming in handy. They've been holding a girl out. They've been helping a girl out, y'all. Because $6 to use a washing machine? I said the ghetto. So I gotta, you know, be strategic with the washing of the things. But I'm going to my mama's house the first week in May. Oh, yes, everything gonna be washed. So that now is officially it. I don't know why I pushed it like that. I'm really excited today for whatever reason, but we likes it over here. And so yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I always appreciate you. Appreciate you. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. That is the end of this today's budget closeout. Y'all share this video with a family, friend, or foe, because even your enemies need blessing. Join the family. Subscribe. It's for free 99. Free use of fine. It's for free 99. You can subscribe. It ain't gonna cost you nothing. Okay, like the video too so it shares and goes out with your peeps and let them know that you know you're feeling it. You're feeling your girl. Okay, 2 cents is your comments, and then yeah, that's all I got. As always, I hope you ate what? A financially, mentally, socially, physically, emotionally, all of the above 5-star chef, 3-star Michelin. You know, do you, boo boo? Get it all. And yeah, that's it for the video. I ain't got nothing else. I'm just thank y'all. Oh, y'all, I saw that I'm at 1415. Oh, y'all are so great. Hey man, every little subscriber that comes, I was like, oh my god, y'all subscribe to me? Little on me? Okay, hi. But yeah, y'all, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and thank you so much for watching me and my shenanigans, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.